Samsung SmartThings is one of the most well-known names in home automation. But is it really as good as people say? Today, I'm giving you my honest review after using it extensively. When you first set up SmartThings, you'll need to install the app, create an account, and start connecting your devices. The setup process is fairly simple, but I did run into some issues with certain third-party devices not being recognized immediately. The app itself is well designed and lets you control everything from lighting to security cameras. But sometimes, automation routines don't trigger as expected. One of the major selling points of SmartThings is its wide range of device compatibility, from Samsung's own smart devices to brands like Philips Hue, Ring, and Ecobee. However, not all devices integrate seamlessly, and there can be occasional delays in responsiveness. Another important aspect is security. SmartThings supports various sensors and smart locks, making it a great option for home security automation. However, some users, including myself, have reported connectivity issues where devices randomly go offline. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on automation for daily routines. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One thing I appreciate about SmartThings is the ability to create custom automation rules using the SmartThings app, or even integrating with platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. But while this flexibility is great, the learning curve can be steep for those new to smart home setups. The hub itself is reliable most of the time, but occasional firmware updates have caused unexpected glitches, which can be frustrating. Another concern is the cloud dependency. Many functions require an internet connection, meaning that if your Wi-Fi goes down, you may lose control over key features. Local processing is improving, but it's still not as robust as some competitors, like Hub-itat.ai. In terms of pricing, SmartThings is competitively priced, but considering the need for additional sensors and compatible devices, the overall cost can add up quickly. If you're deeply invested in the Samsung ecosystem, it's a solid choice. But if you prefer more local control and reliability, alternatives like Hub-itat or Home Assistant might be worth considering. Overall, Samsung SmartThings is a powerful smart home platform with broad device support and strong automation capabilities, but it's not perfect. Connectivity issues, cloud dependence, and occasional software bugs can make it frustrating at times. If you want an easy-to-use system with broad compatibility, it's a good option. But if you need rock-solid reliability, you may want to look at other choices. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart home reviews and tech tips.